Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with a Google Sheet update. So in this task, basically, we have made a statistics chart, which is dashboard, including all the trades for the win-loss, days against win-loss, session, position, candle close, and this one is complex. Let me change the name of this. All right, so candle close and confluence. Accordingly, you can see the matrices are accordingly mentioned. Days, position, session, and this is the entry from the confluence column. Okay, so now the next new changes are shifting of the KLM column on the right side, which are now here, adding a contract size, which is a number, which will affect the portfolio total. So you can see the numbers. If we'll add 1 to here, you'll see a 145. If you will add 0.5, this will be half. And accordingly, you can make the changes. Then there was a requirement to add the drop down at the bottom. It's done. I won't go in detail for the dashboard created. Yeah, there is another thing, dashboard too. So here we have different averages, different columns for multiple averages. You need to add, you can just copy and paste on the other side so that you will add more and more columns. This is the average of each column entering here. And yep, I have added these two columns, these two charts, and the loss, the maximum highest loss numbers available in all the sheets. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Take care.